Want to ensure your WordPress site gets the attention it deserves on Google? Today, we're walking you through how to connect your WordPress site to Google Search Console using the URL prefix method. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Google Search Console. First, head over to the Google Search Console website. Log in using your Google account. Step 2. Add a new property. Once inside, click on Add Property. You'll see two options, Domain and URL Prefix. For this tutorial, select URL Prefix. Step 3. Enter your website URL. In the URL prefix field, enter your website's full URL, including the HTTPS if your site uses SSL. Ensure it matches exactly with your site's address. Then click Continue. Step 4. Verify ownership. To verify ownership, Google offers several methods. For WordPress users, the easiest is the HTML file upload. Step 5. Download and upload the verification file. Click on Download to save the verification file. Next, you'll upload this file to your website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to your File Manager or cPanel to access your website's root directory. Upload the file here. Step 6. Confirm verification. Once the file is uploaded, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a success message. Congratulations, your site is now connected. Step 7. Explore Google Search Console. Now that your site is verified, you can start exploring Google Search Console. Check your site's performance, track keyword rankings, and submit your sitemap for better indexing. And that's it. Connecting your WordPress site to Google Search Console is an essential step for improving your SEO. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.